beautiful and delectable style stars, welcome to my channel. So before anything else, please subscribe to Christina Style and turn on the bell notification so that when I do upload, you'll be the first one to get a notification. So today I've decided to make this beautiful grey wig, but I've only decided to film the closure part of it because I've been making wigs and I've been filming them, so there's nothing new then. But for you to achieve this closure looking without the closure, this is what I did. So I got a piece of lace, French lace, you know, the type that they use for closures. All I did was to sew it with a needle and thread to the wig cap. So after that, I sort of like draw on the patterns that you can see here, like as if you patting your hair. So the lines that you can see was drawn on with a pen. So what I'm doing here is just following the lines, the patterns on the wig cap already. So I've got this small crochet needle, and what I'm doing here is picking strands. I'm picking strands, like 2 to 3 strands at a time, and I go around and stitch them on. You'll get the idea as I go along, because sometimes I'm gonna slow it right down so you can see what I'm doing properly. So just watch to the end because I think it's very interesting. There's a little modeling at the end of me of the wig. Anyway, let me stop rambling on and for you to like pick up on what I'm doing. So see you soon.
K to the E to the K, nah, K. Boss, if you see every time I want to do, tell me in the time when you gotta go. She wants wine, see my gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants wine, she be money on my place, she looking on my eye order. She wants wine, she be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She on me, not so me say.
She wants to wander, one get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your game, my game, your loss, my pain. Oh, nah, nah. Bum, 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 oi. Oh, nah, nah. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up way, be on show. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place.
She's there, so one day in the building. Baby, show me love, true love, no time for just love. Baby, show me love, true love, no time for just love.
Hey baby, it's your baby. Let me break it down for you, my lady. I got a cash to make you go crazy, make you look flashy all the days of the week. Always got me loving you, no I never stop. A beauty queen, yes you fly like Ivory. One in a million, Alabama pirates. My flow smooth like a pirate. Your body burning, hot plate. You're special, you a hot cake. Me I fit chop you like conflict. Yes, I'm a boss like Rose. Chilling at the club, pass me the rose. But I'm taking more shots than Jose. Baby shake it for me, shake it. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. body, baby, oh, body, baby, oh. Na 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 na, yeah. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh, make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Make you dance, dance, and make you move, move. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, ganga, oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. So I go give you daughter, she go call you mommy, and she go call me daddy, and we go call her baby, oh. Alright, fella, so hey, show my baby love, Leo, Leo. Let me be your man tonight, tonight, and I just wanna be the one you like, you like. Money, go power like Gojo. Say I want you to be mine. Money, go power like Gojo. Say I want you to be mine. Oh. It's your happy day, it's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance, dance, and make you move.
No, 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 no.
Original.
Yeah. Just say no, 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 no.
So I've just finished crocheting all the strands for the no closure look. What I'm about to do now is to braid every single parted section. So what I did there is just spray with Got To Be, just to keep the freezes smooth and silk. So I'm just gonna plait all of them. Then when I've done that, the next thing is to dip the edges in hot water. But what I did here is that I put the whole wig inside boiling water. So I just find that it keeps the braids locked in, and yeah, for it to start unraveling, it wouldn't do that if you dip in hot water. So that's what I did.
African girl, my woman, Ojara. See, I've been waiting long for you lately, my Ojara. Baby, follow me, go make her feel alright, make her love you, my baby. My little baby, want a marama. My little baby, usarambara. See this your loving, I swear I die. Cause anytime you turn up, my girl, joy. This your body, fit to kill somebody. Somebody fit buy you. See this your loving, not a god die. And me no mind to enter, me no mind to fall. Girl, now you, not only you be my baby. You're my African princess. For my body, give it to me like say my baby. You're my African princess. You hold my chest, got it feel like say